Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, Ransom International. I didn't think these things could get any better. I just didn't think it could get any better. But take a look. You guys familiar with what it used to look like, right? The red tabs. Look at the brass screws. Larger for easy takeoff. To switch bags from my 3-inch to my 2-inch bag. And soft tipped brass for the bag wings as well. Oh, ho, ho, ho. And also on the rear rest. That's right, folks. Oh yeah. When this weather gets a little bit better, old Santa Claus and Jarhead Marine might have to get out and try the upgraded Ransom International Rest.